we'll show you how to get the most out of the payroll spreadsheet, which provides an efficient format to log and organize your team's hours and earnings for a quick and error-free payroll. In the spreadsheet, you'll see your team's payroll information displayed in a grid with each employee on their own row. This is where you can review any data that was synced from time tools or expenses, or manually log your team's hours worked, time off hours, and any other earnings. To hide the columns you don't need, click the Columns button above the spreadsheet and deselect anything you won't use while running payroll. Then click Apply. If you want to reorder columns, you can do that by dragging and dropping them. And if you want to resize a column, just drag the right edge of the column header. You can also double-click the same edge if you want to automatically fit the width of the longest value in that column. You can pin a column to the left side of the spreadsheet so it stays in place if you're scrolling left and right. To do this, click the drop-down menu and select the Pin option. You'll see that all of the other customization options are available in this menu too. Now that we've got that sorted out, let's take a look at how to log data directly into the spreadsheet cells. You can double-click a cell to make edits, or you can simply begin typing while a cell is highlighted. If you want to speed up the process, you can try navigating the cells using your keyboard. Here are some basics. The Tab key will move you one cell forward. Holding down Shift and Tab at the same time will move you one cell backwards. The Enter key will move you one cell down, and you can use the arrow keys to move in any direction. As you're editing payroll, you can quickly see how much each employee will be paid that period by looking at the total pay column. You can double-check your team's collective hours and earnings by looking at the bottom row where each column is totaled up. You might notice that some cells are not editable, the employee rate cells, for example. For now, employees' compensation can only be updated from their profile, which you can access from payroll by clicking their name. If you have time off policies set up, you can see an employee's remaining time off balance by hovering or clicking on a time off cell. You can also add a personal note that will appear on an employee's pay stub, change their payment type, or use the Actions menu to see their benefit deductions or skip them on payroll. And if you have employees with more than one job, you'll see a row for each different job under their name. You can log their worked hours in each job row, and any time off or other earnings can be logged in the employee's main row. In future iterations of the spreadsheet, you'll be able to edit all of the cells in every job row. If you need to log the same payroll data for multiple employees, you can save time and use the Bulk Actions tool. First, select the employees you want to update. You can either select the whole team or go one by one. Then click the Actions button and choose from the menu. If you already track your team's payroll data outside of Gusto, like in a spreadsheet or with time tracking software, you can quickly import nearly any file type by clicking the Import Payroll Data button. Gusto's Smart Import tool takes the data from your file and automatically organizes it and applies it to the spreadsheet. Use the search bar or filter button to see a specific selection of employees, or sort columns to see the information in a different order, which can make it easier to spot potential mistakes. We hope this video helps you learn how to use the spreadsheet effectively, but if you're still not loving it,